Yes, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to share. I started wearing the patches a year and a half ago. I was introduced by a dear friend of mine who knew I was having back pain due to disc issues, and also a bone on bone knee. So when I started wearing the patches, I started with the X39 and the Ice Wave. Um, I have, I will say it's been a life-changing experience for me. That's why I'm continuing to wear them, and I'm a year and a half in again. Um, when I first started with, like I said, it was a bone on bone knee, and I probably would have already had to have had knee replacement surgery had it not been for the patches. And I am now, I have, I may still have to have the knee replacement. Um, because they say when it's structural or something like that and it's gone for so long, oftentimes you will have to have that. But I can say I have little to no pain in my knee, and inflammation is very little, which is very unusual for a bone on bone knee.
Yeah.
And then so I've been, and I what the way I wear them, and there is, and Jennifer, you may have that where we can share that with those who are interested in the bone on bone knee, as far as the protocol for that, with the glutathione on the outside, the Aeon on the inside, and the Carnosine at the top of the knee. That is what I have been wearing. And that's has helped me greatly. It's done an amazing job. Also, I wear the X39 on my back because that's where I had my pain. Actually, I wore two X39s when I started with the back. When I started wearing the patches. Now I'm down to one, and I've been doing that for over 6 months now, and I have little to no pain on my back. And I
Wow.
can tell, I feel like that is actually helping. Um, I know we can't say heal, but I'm at a place with my back that I felt like that was I could never be.
Wow.
And
How long did you have that back pain prior to patching?
prior to patching, I had my knee replacement in June, my left knee replacement in June of 20. So I would say 4 years. It
Okay.
started, after that.
The back pain started after the knee replacement
Mhm,
surgery.
mhm,
Okay.
mhm, mhm. So it was 4 years, and I'd had injections in my back
Oh boy.
to help. Yeah, and that lasted for maybe a year and a half, and then when it came back intense.
With a vengeance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How
Mm-hmm.
often did you get the injections in your back for the
I
pain?
just had them the one. Oh, no, I had it twice. I had injections twice.
Okay. Wow.
The first time was the year and a half. Then the second one I had um lasted about a month.
Oh,
So that's why my girlfriend introduced me. She knew my back pain, and then that was the first place she put them on, was the Ice Wave was on my back.
okay, great. So she
Mm,
placed Ice Wave on your back, and then you were using X39 as well at the time. All
yes,
right. What did you think when you first started using them? Did you think this is crazy? Did
yes.
you
I had immediate relief.
Wow.
I won't say it was immediate zero pain.
Hmm.
It was immediate relief. And the one thing I want to say is be be patient. It, as it comes and goes, as far as the waves of pain, and you'll
Hmm.
think, well, what? And then you just be consistent and be patient. And I can tell you it's done amazing things in different ways, just so many different things. I mean, I've just, even progesterone, I was taking progesterone and estrogen. I'm talking about a lot of patches here. So if I go,
Yeah,
y'all
that's all right. Go
reel me
ahead.
back
I want
in
to
if I
hear it
need to
all.
be.
Please.
SP6,
Okay.
I wear that every day. And when I started wearing that, I was having some hot flashes with sweats at night.
Mm,
I have those no more, and
wonderful.
didn't like maybe 2 months into wearing the SP6. I'm totally off my estrogen and progesterone. I have none of that.
And sleeping through the night, I
And
assume,
sleeping
right?
through the night.
Okay. Wow,
Mm-hmm.
that's huge. I mean, when you're not sleeping, you're not healing. It's
Mm-hmm.
miserable.
Mm-hmm.
So you're sleeping through the night after 2 months on SP6, no more
Mm-hmm.
night sweats.
Mm-mm.
The ice wave helped your back pain almost immediately. And was it upper, lower? What area did you
Lower back
lower back?
on
Did
the left side.
on the left side? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Place the
Mm-hmm.
patches down there. And then
Mm-hmm.
you also start with X39 at first, X39 and Ice
I
Wave.
actually was wearing I because of my pain was so I had chronic pain. So
Mm.
I wore two X39s,
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
and that's what helped the most for me. And then I will say, I want to say maybe 6 months in that I was maybe more than that, 8 or whatever. But I'm down to one patch and would not have to wear it every day. But I know the benefits of wearing an X39 every day.
Yeah.
It's not just for that and the reverse aging. So I choose to wear it every day.
Well, and I know just since I've known you, your hair's grown in much thicker.
Yes.
Your skin is more vibrant for sure. Can you tell have you felt other benefits since you've been patching, maybe things that you didn't expect?
I know there's so many. And I said, I needed to write. I said, I need to know these things before I get on here tonight because there's so many different things. But I did want to say that about estrogen and progesterone, the hair, um, the night sweats with the SP6. Um, I will say this for the pain. Um, like if I've been on with my knee, my bone on bone knee,
Mhm.
at night when I come in, or if I've just had a long day and I'm on my feet a lot, and let's just say you're achy, just achy from muscle, whatever,
Yep.
I apply my ice waves on the bottom of my feet.
Okay, great.
The white on the right, the tan on the left, and it relieves all my pain in my body
Okay,
within
so that
like
works
5 minutes, five to
great. So
ten
that works
minutes.
systemically throughout your whole
Mm-hmm.
body if you place
Mm-hmm.
the patches, the ice patches on the bottoms of your feet.
Yes, and now that I'm speaking of the right and the left and the energy, I wear that and I get tremendous results from the energy enhancers.
I love energy enhancer patches.
And I wear them up here.
Okay,
Hmm.
wonderful. Great. And I know you have a demanding job. You just have a demanding life. You're
Yeah.
always go, go, go. And so having clean energy is important, isn't it? Stimulant free and
Yes.
natural clean energy through the mitochondria. That's a beautiful thing.
Hmm. Hmm.
All right. Anything else you can think of that you would like to add to people? Anybody to someone who's never patched before, is there anything you would like to say or recommend or
I, I
mention?
would I would say, like I said, to be patient and to be consistent with them, and that I will say that they have been life changing for me. And
Wonderful.
I would just highly recommend, and don't feel like you have to wear, don't let it be overwhelming. Just maybe start with what we say is they said is the Holy Grail is the X39,
Yeah,
and the Eon. And if you do have pain, I would highly recommend the ice waves.
wonderful. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I know there are a
Mm-hmm.
lot of problems with
Mm-hmm.
pain meds, so
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ice Wave is wonderful, clean pain relief. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you
Mm-hmm.
so very much.